Are you tired of entering trades too early or too late? Our Smart Buy Sell indicator helps you catch the best opportunities with precision. No more second guessing. So let's deep dive into the indicator, how it works. So hey guys, welcome back to Trade Tech Analysis. I welcome you to another exciting video on the indicator which I recently developed. The name is Smart Buy Sell Indicator, and please stay till last. You will see the magic when you combine it with a particular indicator. So stay tuned with me. So let's first discuss about the key features and components. So first one is smart signal algorithm. It uses a combination of EMA, RSI, ADX and volume analysis to identify high probability setups that can be the buy or sell zones. The second one is trend confirmation filter. For confirming the trend, ADX and moving average is being used that prevents false signals by ensuring trades align with overall trend. The third one is dynamic support and resistance level. It incorporates order blocks and liquidity zones to confirm strong reversal points. Volatility-based entry and exit. ATR and Bollinger Band adjust stop loss and take profit level based on market condition. Order flow insights. Leverage Delta Volume and VWAP for real-time trade validation. And the last point is reversal and breakout detection. So I'm using relative volume and smart money concepts to anticipate strong market moves. So like I already mentioned that I've used EMA, RSI, ADX, moving average, ATR, Bollinger Band, Delta Volume VWAP, right? So why use this indicator? So by combining all these elements, it is helping for a sure shot entry. When all these elements combining together provides that price can be bullish here, then it gets a buy signal, and similarly on the bearish side as well. So this indicator can help you avoid false breakouts, works in all market conditions, multi-time frame support and easy to use interface. Means you have the clean visualization with intuitive buy and sell markers. Okay, so how to add it? First, I have mentioned the link of the indicator in the description, but you can simply search smart buy slash sell indicator. Okay, by the time you are watching the video, it would be available here, but for now I'm just adding it from the from my personal profile that it comes. So here is this video. So all these elements that I'm connecting or like adding for the sure short entry, as you can see there are some dots as well, right? So it tells you that there could be a potential trend change. Similarly at the bottom as well, there can be a potential trend change as well. So when combining all these things, it gets you the buy or sell signal. So before I go to the next point, it is just for the references only, how it reacts on these levels. It is for the educational purposes only. Please don't consider these for the buying and selling. Okay, so for these you must consider consultant with you must consult with your financial advisor. Indicator are only for indicating that there could be a potential reversal, there could be a potential buy or sell. Okay, it is only for the indications only. So these are all together elements gets you the signals. So super trend multiplier, you when you change, you'll see some buy sell signal more. If you don't see from here, you can see by changing the value, it got one more sell signal. So that you can play around it. Your length is there 14 by default. You can do it 10 and see if this changes anything on the chart. Okay. So similarly, all these things are helping you the confirmed entries. So by changing the RSI value as well, it is changing the values. So all these elements that you can use. Okay, that's how these values works. Okay, so Bollinger Band deviation, Bollinger Band length, minimum. Okay, minimum bar between signal is really important because here when it generates a buy signal, it will check last 5 candles if there is a signal or not. So if it is a potential entry and if we got a, let's say, sell signal on this candle, then it won't generate this one. So that's the minimum 5 candle condition I have added. So here is the magical part that I was telling you. So when, and it is multi-time frame, you can use it on any time frame that you want. Okay, so when you add Bollinger Band along with this, then it is the magic. Bollinger Band you must have used already, but so what I've done is incorporated all these elements to get you the sure short entries. So you can see this red circle appears when it is getting out of Bollinger Band. So buy and sell label prints, but red background or green background also act as the same. Okay, because red green background is also a signal, but may not be the level because it is it is for some of the certain conditions. Okay, and buy sell is on some certain conditions. Okay, so here when it gets out, it will print a red cloud here as well. Okay, and at the bottom as well. So let's say if there are multiple candles out, then you will see multiple clouds here like this. Okay, so it is on 5 minutes. You can see this on 3 minutes as well. See, and then you see a reversal. So this can be a smart indicator, gets you the sure shot entries. So let's take a look on 1 minute. See, that's how it is helping you when the trend reverses or gets out of the band. Obviously, when it gets out of the band, definitely it will come back in the same zone as well. So let's go to Nifty and Bank Nifty. That's for my Indian brothers and sisters that we all trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty 1 minute chart, and you can see there was a buy signal here on 1 minute, and there was a reversal, and then again reversal from the bottom side as well, and you can see how beautifully it works. There's on 1 minute, signals are there, right? That's obviously today was a training day, and this is wow, 384 points move. So that's how you can use it. So this is the 5 minute chart. As you can see, we had a signal here, and then we had one more signal here, right? And from the bottom, when it was getting down, we got a perfect entry, and then it was really a good move where a premium literally spiked. Okay, and after that, most of the time it was sideways. So let's take a look. It can work on any of the chart that you want to use, and it's available free of cost. So that's how it's looking like in Bank Nifty as well. So for more indicator videos, please don't forget to subscribe so that you get latest information right in your notifications as soon as I upload a indicator video. And like I promised last time, I have so many uh, free indicators that I'm working on, and some of them are published on TradingView. So as long as TradingView doesn't have issues with them, I'll keep on creating the videos as well. With this, thank you so much, and see you again in another trading indicator video. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe. Take care.